2 words for you. Storage.
Oh, auction.
Pirate. Dude, Daddy. Boxes, $275. I got a bad addiction to this business, I guess. Those are cool? Don't drop them. Box here is marked silverware and dog pillows. Now, ideally, when you buy a storage, you want silver, so you pray for silver. Gold, silver, whatever. It says S on the side. We're gonna see what's in there.
I know he'd love to have it.
Nice dog pillow, Yorkie. Oh, it's just regular silverware so far. What? It's pretty cool. You want to make some eggs. Slice and dice. Got this nice little garlic shredder. What else do we have here? There's an Arthur quart bowl. Cordon bleu. He just sent you the voicemail. See that? Charter Club. It's kind of cool. Nice little salad bowl. Straight up silverware, nothing special. That's what was in that box. Salad bowl here. If you're into salad.
It's got different gulpers on every side, right? Or is it the same guy?
Box is Marco's cabinet. One of the few boxes I set aside to look into immediately when I got home. Because, well, yeah. Come on, Marco. Somebody put some new tape on this box. Come on, Marco's Rolex. Ooh, come on. This is what my eyes see when I first open this up. What is this? Something. Wedding rings. Ugh. Scary. Wedding rings. Daddy needs some silver. Rogers. Rogers, community plate. That's sterling. There's one piece of sterling. Got excited for a second there.
Silver or no?
One piece.
Really?
Yeah. T-bone. But their wedding pillow or something.
Yeah, they have those.
Bummer. This box got slightly exciting for a minute there, but there's only one piece of silver that I see, and that's this one. 20 bucks. Well, some regular old silverware. That right there. That's in here, but I wanted to see in because of the hole. Look, there was some that opened up and had stuff in it. But we'll see. Ziploc bag could have a Rolex. I'm saying Rolex because, well, I've never found a Rolex in 10 freaking years of buying storage units, so I'm manifesting a Rolex. Star Trek. No. Sky at Night. And that's what I wanted to see. And this thing looked like it was some type of box. Might have been jewelry box, but it looks like a photo box. Photos. Sky at Night, your guide to the heavens. I like to see stars tonight. Carrie and Mark wedding video. That's where their first mistake is they got married. Photo albums, like legit photo albums. Deep Creek, Alaska. That could be a porn. Yeah. Isn't that special? But this is what I wanted to see, and it kind of slid off to the side. I'm thinking, oh, book safe, money, gold, Rolex. Wah, wah, wah. Nothing. I truly love suitcases. They're like mini safes, or where you people put their special things. So Eddie Bauer, covered in dust. Kind of solid. Doesn't have a lot of rattle to it. So what do we have? In the pocket number 1. Nothing. 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 Come on. Coin collection. Come on, envelope full of money. Envelope full of money. Dog book. Paperwork. Paperwork. Taxes. That was one of the most boring things I ever looked in. Oh, we got some fabric softener. Fabric softener. Okay, so that's a wrap on these boxes. And this one, kitchen knives, pots and pans. Cutco knives, please. Full set of Cutco knives pays for this unit. That's what you got to. Every box is a possibility. What could possibly be in this box? I don't know. Cutco knives is what I want. Cutco knives. Cutco, these are not Cutco. These are Cuisinart. That's the face you make when you think you found some silver and all you got is some steel.